The vstore marketplace is a vast plugins and auto traders library containing hundreds of technical indicators, front-end and back-end plugins. Every day, developers add their programs to the marketplace. Technical indicators and trading robots get uploaded constantly. You can use the search bar to search for any plugin. By just right-click on any plugin, you can download it automatically. Browse the page of the plugin, surf the categories such as client plugins, VTL, ebooks, and styles. After downloading the desired plugin, you can find it under the VTL local scripts. VTL is a procedural programming language that was developed specifically to serve traders, strategy makers, and technical analysts. VTL is a powerful and versatile programming language for traders. The language provides framework required to build sophisticated trading programs, such as AutoTrader, robots, alerts, and custom indicators. VTL server scripts are hosted at the VertexFX server. AutoTraders and robots can be built using VTL server. There's no need to keep your client terminal running, since the script is running on the VertexFX server and it shall place trades according to the predetermined script rules.